The government put £50 million on the table for these type of projects, and we were lucky to have already engaged with Philips in thinking about this, so we were ready to put our bid in. We got just over 1.6 million, but we had to spend that within 6 months, so that was the main challenge around it. Most of our projects have been behind the scenes, and we've trialled some LED technology in some wards and some corridors, but this project gave us the opportunity to do it right across the site, and that really would make a big impact and bring us out into the front. I was really fortunate and able to get project managers from the hospital that worked together.
Hospital staff and senior management were very enthusiastic about an opportunity to upgrade the hospital lighting. The survey was an opportunity to raise the profile of the project initially. Ollie Seddon and his team were highly visible and across the trust at taking light measurements, carrying out surveys of existing wiring, condition of ceilings and so on, to produce the data that Philips would be using to replace the lighting. Once we'd completed the trial installations, we then had some robust evidence to demonstrate that the project was achievable both in unoccupied parts of the hospital but also in busy clinical areas. So the next step was to carry out an install on one full ward, and the acute stroke unit was the first of those. It's a very busy ward again. It's fully occupied during the whole installation.
We needed a partner with scale. We needed somebody who's big enough to do this. We had a time scale that was tight. They also brought a positive attitude, but the main point was they had complete control of the supply chain. It's made the whole hospital lighter, brighter, looks cleaner, and people are a lot happier with the state of the place. We have started to use lighting differently. We've got more control, both with people and automatic, and we've started using the Hillworth system in our dementia wards as well. We are always looking for ways to save money, to spend money more wisely, and getting the energy bill down is a great part of making that happen. About 5 million kilowatt hours and 2,700 tonnes of carbon dioxide annually to be saved.
It's not just an energy efficiency that's generated in terms of electrical consumption, but also a cost saving to the trust in terms of replacing light fittings less frequently. The long-term benefit over 10 years is quite substantial.
I think it's been transformational in the way it's changed the way people look at the hospital and the whole feel of the place.